What if I told you the secret to seamless Salesforce integration isn't a brand new tool, but something surprisingly practical? Today, we're diving into real-world stories of companies that turned integration chaos into clarity, and how you can do the same in 2025. Here's the truth. Most Salesforce integration projects fail, not because of bad technology, but because of bad alignment. Behind the scenes, data is often mismatched, siloed, and duplicated across systems: sales, service, marketing, and operations, each running their own version of the truth. And those off-the-shelf integrations? They promise quick fixes, but they rarely fit complex evolving enterprise needs. The cost? Lost productivity, poor customer experiences, and stalled growth. Integration failure doesn't just break data, it breaks trust. So how do you avoid the abyss? It starts with your integration compass, defining your North Star before writing a single line of code. Step 1. Business goals first, tech second. Ask yourself, what business outcome should this integration enable? Faster fulfillment, better insights, higher compliance? Step 2. Map your data flows. Identify which systems need to talk, how frequently, and in what direction. This prevents over-engineering and ensures you only automate what matters. Step 3. Choose the right architecture. In 2025, most enterprises are moving beyond point-to-point setups toward flexible, scalable middleware or iPaaS solutions. The goal isn't just to connect, it's to orchestrate your ecosystem intelligently. Let's look at our first real-world success. An e-commerce giant struggling with order fulfillment delays and inaccurate inventory across Salesforce and its ERP. Their challenge? Manual data entry and nightly batch updates that couldn't keep up with real-time demand. The solution: a real-time integration via an iPaaS platform, automating order flow and inventory synchronization across Salesforce, ERP, and logistics systems. The results were dramatic. Fulfillment time dropped, manual errors vanished, and customer satisfaction soared. This is the power of integration that's both strategic and automated, not just connected, but optimized. Now, consider a healthcare organization battling fragmented patient data across Salesforce CRM, EHR, and billing systems. The fragmentation was more than an inconvenience. It was a compliance risk. Their solution: a secure API-led integration strategy governed by robust data policies ensuring HIPAA compliance. Every data exchange was encrypted, validated, and tracked. The result? A 360-degree patient view, streamlined intake process, and improved data security across every touchpoint. By prioritizing governance and architecture, they didn't just integrate systems, they integrated care. So where do you go from here? First, identify your unique integration challenges, where data friction or system gaps are holding you back. Second, evaluate solutions and partners through the 2025 lens. Focus on scalability, security, and adaptability, not just cost. And third, remember, integration isn't a one-time project. It's a living system that needs monitoring, maintenance, and evolution as your business grows. The companies that win in 2025 aren't the ones with the flashiest tools. They're the ones with a clear integration strategy that grows with them. Salesforce integration. Success isn't magic. It's strategy, architecture, and discipline, executed with precision. If you're ready to move from insight to impact, start mapping your integration journey today.